Jamaica Olympic Association President Christopher Samuda says the formation of an action plan is the immediate objective after being appointed to a working group to look at the feasibility, format and the structure of a potential Caribbean professional league as part of the overall development of football locally. The group will be headed by Yon De Luisa, chairman of CONCACAF's Competitions Committee, with CONCACAF Vice President Randolph Harris as deputy chairman. Samuda says certain elements of the proposed league have been laid out.
Have been settled, but we are yet to meet first. But I suspect that we'll get some advice where that is concerned shortly. So haven't met as yet, but of course we know exactly what the remit is, and I'm sure that when we first meet, we'll be able to hammer out an action plan and a game plan.
The initiative is part of CONCACAF's ongoing commitment to support Caribbean member associations and its mission to further develop the sport across the region. Samuda says no timeline has been set to get the project off the ground, but he pointed out key areas that will have to be met.
Have to look on various aspects of what would be a viable professional league. Of course, that will entail the financial aspects as well as the marketing aspects of it, and certainly you'll have to pay heed to stakeholder interest. So until we're able to do that, I wouldn't be able to say any timetable at all, and I'll have to have a briefing at that first meeting to know exactly what will be the course of action and the time frame within which we'll be operating.